Come with us to Hotel Chocolat shop and cafe. The supercharger makes the mini go zoom zoom. We have reached our destination. Yummy, yummy chocolateness. Yoink, that chocolate bunny be mine. Goodies purchased. Now let's head to the cafe. Chocolate squirty cream, yum yum. That was all rather yummy. Now let's go and grab ourselves some CakeAway. Back home, and these are the noms that we got. Thanks for watching. Just remember, it's always acceptable to eat cake, as it's always cake o'clock somewhere in the world.